Hey guys, I'm back today with another video. This one is going to be brought to you by the company Xrsbeauty. But before I get started on all the details, guys, please make sure to hit the subscribe button. Also turn those notifications on so you don't miss out on any of my videos. I'm going to be showing you another unit from the Clear Lace and Clean Hairline collection. This one is the Water Wave Curly 13x6 Lace Frontal Wig. Look how it looks straight out of the package. This is beautiful. This is in the length 18 inches and it's 200% in density. Comb in the back, a comb in the middle, 2 combs on the side, your adjustable strap, and you also have an area for the removable elastic band for extra security. Now, I did go ahead and co-wash my unit off of camera. I used my Dove Moisture shampoo and conditioner. Hair was very easy for me to manage during the washing process. I did get a little bit of shedding, but not too much. If you have not checked out my previous video working with this company, you definitely should do so. That was more of a straighter texture, and I was curious about how the hairline would look on other textures, but it looks just as bomb. I did not go in and pluck out any hair, so that's going to be great for those who are beginners and they don't want to worry about doing anything to the hairline. Now, I'm just going in and cutting off some lace off the side because my head is on the smaller side, and that was one of my cons the very first time around, is that the lace is a little bit on the larger head side. But what I did this time around was kind of cut into the hairline. I know some people are probably cringing when they hear that, but I had to cut off a little bit more of that lace because I did not want to worry about it bubbling up too much. The very first time around, I had a little bit of a harder time working with the lace and getting it to not bubble up, and I don't want that to happen. This fits your head perfectly. You can rock this glueless. However, because this is a little bit larger on my head, I am going to have to add some adhesive. So for today, I'm going to be using my olive oil Fix It Hold Spray, and I'm just working in sections. The very first time around, I put it underneath the lace and I just worked with the very front of the hairline first, and then I began to work on the sides, and I'm just using my rat tail comb to make sure that none of the lace starts to roll up. And I did get a little bit of bubbling, but it wasn't as bad as the first time around where I had to go off of camera and fix a lot of mistakes. So yeah, I'm happy I cut into the lace. I actually could have cut a little bit more in the very front, but I'm happy with the way that it turned out. Now, it is looking good, but I am going to take it up another notch, and I'm going to be creating some what? Yes, some baby hairs. Now, if you are not a fan of baby hairs, you can definitely skip this step. However, when it comes to my curly units, sometimes I like to be a little bit extra, but ooh, look at that scalp. Look at the way that is looking. I love it. So I'm going to begin to work on my sideburns, and to create my baby hairs, I'm going to be using my baby hair goo from the company So Sharp. Now, all of the products that I am using in this video can be found down below in the description area. A little bit of time to get my baby hairs together because I was really unsure of how I wanted to rock this unit, if I wanted to create a middle part or a side part, but I started envisioning doing a kind of flip over look. So I feel like you can go a little bit extra when you're creating a flip over, as long as no part is really shown. Now, if I would have created a part, then I would not have included so many baby hairs, but that's a good thing about this hairline. You can definitely play around with it. So now that it is all done, parting space on this is really nice. You get that 13x6 area and you get some versatility, but look how thick this hair is, how nice and full it looks. But before I begin to start defining the curls, the first thing that I'm going to do is take my wax stick and go around the hairline area and just use my hot comb to kind of push that hair back. Now, the roots on this are not curly, so I do not mind going in with my hot comb just to kind of press it out to make it look a little bit more sleek, but I'm only going to focus like right in the front area. I could have left this just kind of big and wavy and curly without defining it, but I do want to see what the curls are going to look like once I put everything in it. So I'm going to be taking my water bottle just to kind of refresh the hair. And then I'm also going to be using my olive oil mousse, and I'm going to run my fingers through the hair, making sure to focus on the underside and also making sure to get the ends really good. Now I had to add a good amount of product this time around just because the hair is so thick, but I really didn't want to drench it too much because then I knew it was going to take me all day to diffuse this, and y'all already know how I feel about the diffuser. I kind of hate holding it up because it makes your arms hurt. It is definitely a good workout, but I'm going to be using my paddle brush to define the curls the rest of the way, also get out any of that shedding. But look how it's coming together. It's looking really good. If you want to let this air dry and you have time to do that, you can, but I don't have time for that. So yeah, the diffuser, it is. Now I don't personally let my hair get dried 100% using the diffuser. I just like it to be about 70 to 80% dry, enough for me to kind of fluff it out. So it is going to take a little bit of time. So I did the rest off of camera, and then once it is dried some, I'm going to be taking my bronzer and my fluffy brush and just going around the hairline just to kind of clean it up a little bit and knock off some of that sheen from the spray, and then using a very small amount of my serum to fluff up this hair. That's just going to protect it from frizziness and flyaways. But I really did not notice a lot of frizziness, but I did notice some flyaways at the top of this unit. I was really trying to be careful and not pick apart the curls so much just because I love them. And I'm just going to use that hot comb because I wanted that hair to kind of fall over. But this is the final look of this unit, guys. It came out so pretty. Look at the sheen on that hair and the way that the hair curled up. I love the way that it looks. It's really nice and full. Now, once again, I do have the length 18 inches, but this unit does start at 14 inches and it goes all the way up to 32 inches. And they do have other density options on the website. They have 150%, 200%, and 250%. Now, the lace on this is just as bomb as the first time. It photographs well, it videos well. It melts into your skin. My only issue with this unit, once again, is that the lace is on the larger side, and I did not see a small cap size option on the website for this one. Let me know what you guys think about this unit if you are feeling it. If you are, I'm going to make sure to leave all the details down below once again. Guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, turn those notifications on, share, and like this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.